Hello, today's video is to talk a little bit about the bond and what are the areas that we are asking for. One of the first areas is security. Right now, you can walk through the doors and have full access to all our students. That isn't safe. We need to build secure entrances so that anyone coming in from the outside would need to be funneled through to an area for the office, and we could check and see that their purpose has to do with a specific need in the school, and then be able to have access to our students. Right now, as soon as you get through that first doorway, you have full access to the middle school and high school. Not safe. Number two, our trades area needs to be upgraded and improved. The space right now is insufficient for any new equipment, and we've written grants and have not been able to necessarily install the equipment that grant provided because of space. We have great teachers and great programs, but we'd like to expand by a third teacher in the trades area that could cover engineering and computer-aided drafting so that the students would have access for robotics as well. The area for the tech ed is fabulous, but there's too many students to be able to get all the coursework that they would like to have. Our science labs certainly need upgrading. Some of the equipment is 62 years old because that's when it was put into the science area, because that's when this was built. An auxiliary gym. When this building was built, girls' sports didn't exist. Right now, if a varsity game is going on, other teams can't practice. We do have to rent over at KI another gym space, which we're grateful to do, but it also elongates the amount of time our students are spending to finally get gym access. If we had a second gym space, this will also go for once we are one school, because the elementary students would have their gym in that auxiliary gym space. This whole concept is phase one of a two-phase plan. Phase one is renovating the middle school and high school. Then 5 to 7 years from now, we would be looking at adding on for elementary classrooms, renovating so 5th grade could go where the current 6th grade is, and only needing to build on for the, it's like a 4K program. Basically, it's the Great Start program, as well as kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So that would be a 2-story so that we're not taking up as much space for the practice field. In this first phase, we are also expanding the kitchen area. Right now, storage is very, very small, and we are not able to hire 2 more people that could help with the load of making 1,500 meals a week, because we now serve breakfast besides lunch. And when this school was built, it was only lunch. So now it's double the amount of meals, and we do need space for the employees to not be bumping into each other, which is currently a situation that's difficult right now. So this bond brochure has the 6 reasons why we need it. It is on the inside page and in the yellow. Enhanced safety, expanded skilled trades, smaller effective spaces. Right now, you can take some of the rooms and make 3 rooms out of it for your school counselors, special ed programs. Replacement of key building systems. We need a new roof. That's also part of this. And then on the backside, improved educational infrastructure. That's what we were talking about with the science classes, and then upgraded food service. That's for more space there. On the inside, the highlighted areas are there as well. Please vote. We can't tell you how to vote. We can show you the needs. And if you have any further questions, my name and telephone number and email are right on the back. Thank you for considering.